Let's eat. Welcome back to the Press Gang Restaurant and Oyster Bar here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. I'm Chef Bryan, and today we're going to play with one of my favorite things to cook in the kitchen, scallops. We've got Atlantic scallops today, and we're going to do a classic dish, and it's called Coquille Saint-Jacques. All right, so we're going to get these scallops seasoned up, and then we're going to go right to the pan. It's important that you season and get them into the pan as soon as you can. You don't want to have salt hanging out on the scallop too long, because the salt is going to start to draw the moisture out of the scallop. Some pepper, and then right into the pan. All right, now we got them in the pan. You don't want to touch them. Don't shake the pan, don't move them around, just let them do their thing. All right, we got those scallops searing. Let's have a look. In the pan, you can see there's some nice browning coming around the edges of the scallop. We're just gonna give those a flip around. Nice, got some nice brown caramelized scallops. Now we're gonna take the pan off the heat a little bit, add the sherry, and then put it back on. So like I said, when you're doing this at home, be very careful. All right, so those scallops are done. I want to stop the cooking of them, so I'm going to take them out of the pan, and we're just going to let them rest. All right, our scallops are seared. Now let's make that cream sauce that goes with them, okay? First, we're going to use the same pan that we used before to keep that flavor build that we got going on. We're going to do some garlic, swirl it around a little bit. Then right away, we're going to hit it with some more sherry. Again, take the pan off, sherry, and then back on with some fire. We're going to do some whipped cream. We're going to do roasted cherry tomatoes, salt, some pepper, and then we're just going to let that reduce a little bit. I'm going to turn the heat down a touch. All right, our sauce is doing its thing. It's reducing. Let's heat up some mashed potatoes. This dish is thought to have been created in the 16th century, and the name, directly translated, is Shell of St. James. Once those are hot, we're going to get them into a piping bag. Put those on the plate. We'll arrange our scallops, top with the sauce, finish with a little bit of Parmesan cheese, and then we're going to hit it with a blowtorch. Coquille Saint-Jacques, Chef Bryan style. Let's eat. Oh man, the scallops are just cooked perfect.